Welcome to Amsterdam, a vibrant city known for its rich history and stunning architecture. Explore the city effortlessly with the Amsterdam City Card, granting you free access to top museums, attractions, and unlimited public transport. Maximize your experience while discovering the best of what Amsterdam has to offer. The Van Gogh Museum is a must-visit, showcasing the world's largest collection of Vincent van Gogh's artworks, including iconic pieces like Starry Night. With the Amsterdam City Card, you can enjoy complimentary access, allowing for an enriching experience of this legendary artist's life and masterpieces. The Rijksmuseum is a treasure trove of Dutch art and history, featuring masterpieces like Rembrandt's Night Watch. With the Amsterdam City Card, you enjoy the privilege of skipping the ticket line, ensuring more time to immerse yourself in the stunning collections and enjoy this cultural landmark. A scenic canal cruise is a quintessential Amsterdam experience, offering breathtaking views of historical buildings and picturesque bridges. With the Amsterdam City Card, you can enjoy a free boat tour, allowing you to relax and appreciate the city's stunning waterways while learning about its rich history. The Anne Frank House holds profound historical significance as the hiding place of Anne Frank during World War II. It serves as a poignant reminder of the impact of war on human lives. With the Amsterdam City Card, you gain convenient entry to this essential landmark and its powerful stories. The Amsterdam Dungeon offers a thrilling and entertaining journey through the city's dark history, filled with interactive shows and live performances. With the Amsterdam City Card, you can enjoy a discount on admission, making this unique attraction both accessible and engaging for visitors looking for excitement. Navigating Amsterdam is effortless with the City Card, which grants you unlimited access to trams, buses, and ferries. This convenient public transport system allows you to explore the city's vibrant neighborhoods and attractions with ease. Embrace the adventure and discover all that Amsterdam has to offer. In conclusion, the Amsterdam City Card enhances your visit by granting access to top attractions like the Van Gogh Museum, Rijksmuseum, and Anne Frank House. Don't forget to utilize public transport for easier exploration. Consider the City Card for a memorable and efficient experience in this beautiful city.